inaugural seasonal appearance on the Studio 5 Plaza. We brought in the big guns to get us geared up for grilling season. Chef Todd Leonard is here. Before you light that first flame, he's got some grilling basics to keep us on track. We're grilling?
We're grilling.
We're grilling!
It's time.
Let's go.
I'm so sick and tired of the winter. Let's get it done.
No more soups.
Okay, so guess what?
What?
Grilling. So the first thing is, what are you gonna grill?
What is a steak?
What are you gonna grill?
A steak!
What are you gonna grill?
Say
We're gonna
it.
grill a steak.
Yeah.
We're gonna grill corn. We're gonna grill chilies. We're gonna grill asparagus. All kinds of awesome things. But I know the meat is always the star, right?
Sure.
So whether it's chicken, whether it's pork, whether it's steak, all of those meats are very good to grill. What do you buy at the grocery store? What you want to buy? Rump roast and put it on the grill? No, you don't want to buy rump roast.
I was hoping you'd have the answer, because this is where I get really insecure. I don't know.
I don't know. So you're gonna buy the big three.
Okay.
You're gonna buy loin, which is gonna come in strip loin or tenderloin.
Okay.
You're gonna also buy rib eye.
Okay.
Okay. Today I'm featuring strip loin, which is what we know as a New York steak. Okay. You can see how awesome the marbling is, right? Why do you want that?
Fatty adds flavor.
That is flavor.
I've listened.
Yes.
I've learned.
We're going to the desert. So if you're going to go to the desert, you want as much suntan oil as you need, right?
Okay.
So this little baby is so cool.
What is that?
This is called a jacarta.
Oh.
Okay. And we take that, and this is going to make the meat even more tender. We go a couple times.
It was Todd with a jacarta on the plaza.
Yeah, Todd jacarta on the plaza.
Okay.
Okay. So we just tenderize it. Do you have to do that? No. A lot of pieces of meat, especially this awesome strip, is delicious already. I like to do it because when you put the seasonings on, those seasonings can go down in those holes and flavor.
Can I show you what you look like as a professional chef? This is how the chefs do it. Ready? They get all
intimate. Dancy about it.
Intimate with the meat.
Wait a minute. Okay, so we're seasoning. Then, to make this a little bit more appropriate for the desert, we're going to put more suntan oil on it.
Okay, oil.
So we put a little bit of oil. We take our fingers and we just pat, ever so nicely.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Then we take the grill. Now we've got a nice hot grill. You can see our delicious stuff is cooking beautifully. We got tomatoes, we got corn, we got chilies, we got asparagus.
Okay.
But you want a nice hot grill. You want it nice and clean. Make sure you brush it. Lay that steak down onto the hot grill, okay? And then once that's done, you can come back, season the other side. Of course, I'm using Chef Todd's Pit Seasoning.
My favorite product.
Chef Todd's Pit Seasoning. You can find it at Orson Gigi.
I love it.
UVU Bookstore.
It is one of our go-tos.
Awesome.
We love it.
Okay, so we then season it. We then tap again.
Okay.
A little bit more oil. Now that's kind of what we call a wet rub.
Okay.
No oil is called a dry rub. Yeah, dry rub.
Yeah.
Okay, so now our lid goes down. We trap all that smoke and deliciousness and flavor. We're gonna now make the condiments. So we have our grilled asparagus. If you want to zoom in on this little plate, grilled asparagus, a grilled tomato. We're gonna make fresh chimichurri. Look at that chimichurri.
Ooh.
Oh, baby.
Okay, what's chimichurri?
So chimichurri is a mixture of herbs, garlic, chilies, lime juice, some kind of acidity. So put all your stuff right in here. You got your cilantro. We've got some parsley. We've got some chives. All that goes in a blender.
Okay.
And then also, I like a little bit of oregano. It kind of bumps it up.
Oh.
Whole garlic cloves and 3/4 of a jalapeno.
Bring
Bam.
it. Bring it.
Bring it.
What's the liquid?
The liquid is lime juice.
Okay.
So you put lime juice in.
Yum. My mouth is like.
Yeah, lime juice, and then you of course season it, and oil.
Okay.
Those are all the main components.
That's our chimichurri.
And then we season it all up. Yep. Put the lid on and push go, and you're good to go.
Okay.
The chimichurri obviously comes out pureed, beautiful, green, and it should be, a condiment. It's a sauce. It's delicious.
All right.
Really,
Lots of
really
flavor
wonderful.
in that. You've got one more side going on here?
Yeah, one more side onto the steak is, of course, corn salsa. And the corn is not hot right now, but in 2 months, 3 months, it's gonna be.
Yeah, so remember
it's gonna be perfect. So again, make sure you roast those chilies. And then on your steak, you can see we're cooking all that beautiful steak. Now we're gonna quarter turn that, and that's what's gonna give us our crosshatch marks.
Okay.
Okay? And then we've got our last little garnish here is a beautiful grilled onion.
Look at that.
Everything grilled coming off the grill today.
You're amazing.
But the corn salsa is very simple. And down at UVU, we have choppers. They're called students. And they start chopping and they make this so beautiful.
I want choppers in my kitchen.
Choppers, yeah, choppers. So if you are dreaming about becoming great or better or learning more things, come to UVU Culinary School. Enroll, enlist now. We're calling you. Fall registration open soon. We're going to love to have you here. But this corn salsa, the chimichurri steak, all of these things you can learn right down there at UVU in Orem.
This looks
It's going to be awesome.
All
UVU Culinary School.
And your website has all the details. Our website will have these tips and tricks and this grilling recipe to get you started too at home. So good to see you. Told you we brought the big guns to kick off grilling season. Come back, would you? Keep us full and
no problem.
satisfied all season long.
Lots of flavor down at UVU.
Thank you very much.